Video will show you how to save a Google Doc to your laptop. Once your science teacher has given you a link to the graphic organizer, when you click on the link, this document will open in Google Docs. Now, you can't type on this to be able to prepare to write your TDA, so you have to save a copy of this to your desktop. You want to go up here to the left-hand corner and click on File. When you do that, a menu comes up and you want to go down and choose Download. Now, a couple of choices come up for how you're going to save this. You want to choose Microsoft Word. When you click on that, you see down here in the bottom, the document has started to download onto your computer. You want to click the little arrow pointing up and choose Open. Now, when you open the Microsoft Word document, you'll see this button at the top. It's white and it says Enable Editing. You want to click on that button. When you enable editing, it allows you to be able to type on the document. But before you start to type, you need to save. So you want to click on the top left-hand corner button up here that says File. Then you want to choose Save As. And then you get to Browse right here on this folder picture. Click on Browse. And it allows you to choose different places where you can save this document. I recommend saving it on your desktop so that you know exactly where it is. You click Save, and it automatically saves the document to your computer. Please make sure that you save it before you start typing on it. You can use this document to plan to prepare to write your TDA.